video is going to demonstrate how to limit the number of items of a kilo survey that get fetched. So let's say you have a survey that has 1,000 forms and you don't really need them all in the field. So the first thing I'm going to do is on the left, I have it split. I am showing my iPad on the left. On the right, we have the web application. So I can show you what happens in one and how it impacts the other. As you can see, I have this weed points survey, and if I view it, you can see I have 15 records. Now, let's say I don't really need to take all my weed points out in the field with me. I really only need a few, or I don't really need any. So you can see on the right, here's my application. I have 15 points. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to templates, and I'm going to find my weed point template. And right here, I have a tab for fetch settings. I'm going to actually change my limit to 0, and I'm going to set the ordering. So it's going to, actually it won't let you go to 0, but I'm going to just set it to 1. And this ordering is like, let's say you only wanted 100, it would order that 100 records by date added with the latest first. So now I'm going to save. And I'm going to come back over to my mobile app, and I'm going to fetch the data. And you'll see that when the data fetches, and I go back to my weed points, it's only going to show me one weed point. So give it a few seconds to fetch. And this is a really helpful tool when you have like thousands and thousands of surveys, or maybe you just have a few hundred, but whatever, and you don't need them all in the field. So now I've fetched my data, and I come over here to my surveys, and you can see now weed points, there's only one weed point that got fetched. And so right now you can't set it to 0, but pretty soon we'll change it so you can set it to 0. See if I try to set it to 0, it won't let me do that. So anyway, but we'll update that soon enough. Thanks for watching.